All these components have their purposes and have their uses in the design of a home. And we make each one of these products in a standard format. But because our building system is so unique, we can create and customize everything we make to fit your home. So when you're looking at the brackets in the catalog, understand that there's another 2,000–3,000 designs and versions of what we're showing you. But then on top of that, you can make it any width wider and longer and taller. So every one of these details exponentially becomes unlimited. And that's the beauty of our system. We don't build in a mold. We create products to the design needed for the home. And we can build as many of them because we're not in a mold. There's not a price point that hurts us or benefits us. When you're looking in the catalog and you're on a bracket and you're looking at the pages on the brackets, first of all, those are just examples of what we can do. We can make any kind of bracket, any shape, any size, any width. So this is something that really opens up Pandora's box for clients, and it becomes tyranny of choice because you almost have too many choices. And that's why architects are so great, because they can lead you down the path to the right design. And then you come to a team of people who have been looking at over 1,000 homes a year. I mean, my estimators and I and my partner sit down literally and look at homes designed with brackets and rafter tails and wood ceilings and columns and louvers and grills and everything that you're being asked to make a decision on, we build and we look at every day. And I've seen from, in an economy of scale, the variety from a $300,000 or $200,000 home all the way up to a $100 million home. On a smaller house, you typically have smaller overhangs or smaller details or just a smaller home, so the proportioning of the components that go on those houses are just smaller, and therefore they're less expensive. And then as you grow and the house gets bigger and the details and the size and the scale and the massing of the components grows, and therefore they become bigger, they become a little bit more expensive. There's more volume. We can produce any scale, any size, any shape, any detail that you want, that you've seen, that the architect's drawing, and then you can lean on us from our years of experience of looking at plans, seeing what's right. We have a passion for building the exteriors of homes, and therefore we translate that passion into our skill sets, being well versed in building the exteriors of homes and being through all the different elements of building and all the different products and all the different scenarios and problems that arise. You know, problems do arise, and how you attack them and approach them and have answers for them, knowing your game, product knowledge and experience is something very, very valuable and typically appreciated in the construction business.